The Beirut Stock Market (BSE) is Lebanon's sole and primary stock exchange. All BSE members are Lebanese Joint Stock Companies (SAL), having a capital of at least 500,000 LBP, and are registered with the Commercial Register's secretariat. Holding corporations and offshore firms are among the members. There are 15 listings on the exchange and they are denominated in Lebanese pounds. Lebanon's economy is classed as a developing country with a lower middle income. In 2020, the nominal GDP is expected to be $19 billion, with a per capita GDP of $2,500. Government spending was $15.9 billion in 2018, accounting for 23% of GDP. After the 2006 war, the Lebanese economy grew rapidly, with an average annual growth rate of 9.1% between 2007 and 2010. The Syrian civil war impacted the local economy after 2011, with annual average growth of 1.7% from 2011 to 2016 and 1.5% in 2017. The gross domestic product (GDP) was estimated to be $54.1 billion in 2018. In terms of debt to GDP ratio, Lebanon is the world's third most indebted country. As a result, interest payments accounted for 48% of domestic government income in 2016, restricting the government's capacity to invest in critical infrastructure and other public goods. The Lebanese economy is based on service. The Constitution of Lebanon states that the economic system is free and safeguards individual initiative and the right to private property. Metal goods, finance, agriculture, chemicals and transportation equipment are among the key economic sectors. Banking and tourism are two of the fastest growing industries. Foreign exchange and capital mobility are both unrestricted. A 10% withholding tax is levied on income derived from movable capital generated in Lebanon. The Central Administration of Statistics website is a great resource for equity research on the Lebanese market. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.